Here at Worldwide Steel Buildings, we design and manufacture all of our prefab steel building kits to meet the needs of our customers. That means when you work with us on your building project, there's no middleman and no sales pitch. We take the time to get to know our customers, understand what they're looking for, and bring it to life from start to finish. We offer a wide range of building types, like functional garages and workshops, inviting barndominium homes, greenhouses for year-round flowers and produce, and industrial commercial buildings with vast interior space. Regardless of your needs, Worldwide Steel has you covered. Worldwide Steel building kits offer numerous benefits. They are precisely manufactured in-house according to the unique needs of our customers. This assures quick and easy assembly, perfect for a DIY project or a contracted professional. Our steel buildings are cost-effective, structurally sound, and energy efficient. And fun fact, steel buildings are less susceptible to mold, mildew, rot, and fire than traditional buildings, which means lower insurance premiums. And Worldwide Steel has your back with an industry-leading 50-year structural warranty. That's peace of mind you won't find anywhere else. You can kickstart your project by selecting from a variety of building styles, or you can customize to your heart's content with our user-friendly 3D designer tool. No matter if you need a garage, barndominium, airplane hangar, church, horse arena, or anything in between, the experts at Worldwide Steel are here to transform your dreams into reality. So what are you waiting for? Reach out to us today and let's discuss the limitless customization options and versatile floor plans we have to offer. If you can dream it, we can make it at Worldwide Steel Buildings.